Hi everyone, it's Miss O here, and I've got my friend Pete the cat. All right, today we're gonna be going back and doing some more work on numbers. And I have a number line right here that I told you about last time, and I have a 10 frame. Right now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots in the 10 frame. So today we're gonna do some numbers with our fingers. So get your hands out and ready, because we're gonna explore different ways to make a number. So I'm going to say a number, like let's say I'm going to say the number 5. Why don't you put out 5 on your fingers? Now I want you to think, put your thinking cap on in your brain and say, is there another way I can make 5 besides showing 5 fingers on one hand? Think about it and show me. All right, let's break it up. I could put 2 down and the 2 over here. So I could have a 2 and a 3. Or what if I put 1 more down here and put it up here? I could have a 3 and a 2. What if I put one of these down, kept one of these up, and a 4 and a 1 makes 5 also. Very good. And a 4 and a 1 this way. There's so many different ways to make 5. Now, I'm going to show you a way that I can make a special equation. Now, an equation is something where you put 2 numbers together to make it a certain answer. So we're trying to get to 5, so we're finding ways to equal 5 right now. Equal 5. So we just explored on our fingers that if you have 3 on one hand and 2 on the other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that makes 5. So I can make an equation like 3 plus 2 equals 5. We also explored that 4 plus 1 could equal 5. So I'm going to write 4 plus 1 equals 5. So these are called the add-ins, or the different parts that we're adding that equal the sum. The sum is the answer when you're putting 2 things together. So we have the add-ins and we have the sum. Another way people like to think of it is this is one part, this is another part, this is the whole number. This is one part, this is another part, this is the whole number. So they go part, part, whole. So part, 4 was a part, and 1 was a part. Put it together, and that's the whole number. Part, part, whole. Try it with me. Part, part, whole. 4 is a part, 1 is a part. Put it together, 5 is the whole. Whole? Are you talking about like a hole that goes deep into the ground? No, I'm not talking about that kind of hole. I'm talking about like a whole pizza, that kind of hole. Like you get to have the whole thing. If you had 4 slices and 1 more, how many would that equal? 5 slices altogether. Awesome. All right, so I want to go into number 6 now. So let's put 1 more up, and I'm going to erase these equations. And you could get out your whiteboard too and pause this and follow along. So I just made the number 6 here. So can you show me a way to make 6 on your fingers? That's right. That's the first way we think of, 5 and 1 more. Can you think of any other way to get to 6? I could put 3 on this hand and then 3 on this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 3 and a 3 is 6. So why don't I put my parts together to equal my whole? If I had 3 pieces of pizza and I added 3 more pieces of pizza, I would have 6 pieces of pizza, and that would be the whole pizza. What's another way we could get to 6? I can look at my 10 frame for that too. Oh, I see 5 on the top is filled, and then there's 1 more down here. So 5 and 1, that's kind of what we started with, right? That's what most people think of when they think of 6, is a 5 and a 1 coming together to equal 6. I know we can come up with at least 1 more. What if I put 4 on my fingers on this hand? How many more would I need to put on this hand? 5, 6. Oh, 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, so put a 4 from this hand. That's part of it. The other part is 2, so I'll put that there. And then what does that equal? 6, the number we're trying to get to. Beautiful. Great job. I want you to explore number 5 and 6 on your board and see if you can remember how many different ways we can do those, okay? Great job.